So this is in my workshop, and the roof here, the roof capping there doesn't have the little flutes that match up with the corrugated iron. So you can see all the ash that came in. There's a line of ash along the middle of my workshop, up over that, up over there, up over all that. So I was lucky that none of that was hot embers. But you can see there's some pretty decent bits, look at that. Bits of the Xanthorrhoea, the grass trees. So, very lucky. So I'm going to look at that. We have to learn lessons. The lessons that we learn from these fires, if we don't apply them, then we've only got ourselves to blame. But you can see the line of ash that's come through the roof. So that's one more thing I'll be looking at.